As you can see, I'm in walking street here, and for a special reason. We are going to an Agogo, and I have permission from the boss there that I can film there. I'm gonna stand there because there's too much noise there. There's a little bit less noise. So I'm going to the Infinity Agogo there, and then we're gonna have a look inside. I had a few emails with the boss there and the owner of the Agogo, and yeah, we will see what we get there. He promised me I could film inside. I'm not sure what it will get. If there are too much customers inside, I cannot film it. But we will see. So, wish me luck. I'm gonna turn off the camera now, and I'm gonna turn it on when I'm back inside the Agogo. See you in a second. It's fully loaded now. It's Sunday evening. I thought there were maybe 5-6 customers inside, but it's fully loaded here. I think 20-30 customers are inside here now, and it's unbelievable. Okay guys, I had a great filming in Infinity Agogo. I only could film for a short time because there were too many customers inside, and I vlogged also inside, but I don't know if you could hear me, so I'm doing it now again. But it was fully crowded here. I thought there will be only 5-6 customers inside, but the place was fully packed, you know. I had a talk with the owner there, and he had about 40 girls inside. And it was a minimum. Normally he has 70 girls. So can you believe that? Can you imagine that? It's unbelievable. I could film from the DJ bar, you know, and then I could take a shot inside the A-GOGO. But I have to blur out a lot of faces, I think. I don't want to film those customers, the clients inside. But I think it's a great movie. The picture quality looked good, so give it a thumbs up now. I did some effort for you guys. Okay. We also talked about the prices for buying an A-GOGO, but I will explain you that later. I'm standing here on 2nd Road now. It's a little bit hard for me to think now from the boom boom music inside the A-GOGO. But I will explain you that later about the prices for buying an A-GOGO, what the monthly rent is in Walking Street, and what the key money is. If you want to talk about prices, you have to know what key money is if you're a bar manager. Okay, I'm gonna leave it with that. See you guys in another video. Maybe a food review, maybe a bike vlog, I don't know. We will see. Out for now. See you. Bye bye.